Welcome back. In this demo, we're going to show you how to get Spring Tool Suite to recognize JSP pages. If you're like me and you're trying to add your JSP file to your Spring Boot application, you've already created your web INF folder and you've already created your JSP folder. And now you do a right click for a new, and we don't see JSP. So we go to Other, and we search for a JSP, but nothing pops up. So next option we could try is to create a new file, and we'll just call it index.jsp. But VS Code gets opened up, and it opened up this index.jsp. This is because Spring Tool Suite doesn't recognize the .jsp extension. If we were to right click and open with System Editor, it would open up VS Code back. If we even try Text Editor, it's just going to treat this code as a text. So let's go ahead and copy and paste some text in here. And it just looks like text, right? It doesn't actually look like how we'd want it to recognize each of the tags. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fix this. What we need to do is install a plugin from the Eclipse Marketplace. To do that, we go up to Help, down to Eclipse Marketplace. And a simple way to look for this is search for JSP. And we look at this one down here. The first one has 18,000 installs. But this one right here, the Eclipse Enterprise Java and Web Developer Tools, which includes JSP with 1 million installs. So we're going to go ahead and choose this one. We're going to hit Install. We're going to hit Confirm. And Finish. In the bottom right down here, you can see the installation progress taking place. After the installation, we will need to do a restart. But hopefully after the installation, we'll now have the option to generate new JSP pages that Spring Boot will recognize, and it'll actually recognize the tags, right? Like when we go to a controller, it recognizes the class names, it recognizes a method, right? It recognizes these tags. It just makes it easier to read instead of having it literally look like a text document. All right, so let's go ahead and restart this. We'll go ahead and save. So let's take a look. So it's obviously showing us our index.jsp page, and it looks like nothing has changed. That's because we told it to open it with a text editor. So we're actually going to go in here. We're going to do New again. All right, JSP is still not showing on the options. Let's go to Other, and let's search for JSP. And now we have a JSP file under this new web folder that was created with that plugin. So let's go ahead and select this. We'll leave this as is, new file.jsp, just for this demo purpose. And we'll leave this all as is as well. Hit Finish. And there we have it. Now we have this new JSP page opening up, and we can see all the tags are properly colored, and it makes it a lot easier to work with. On my next video, I'll show you how to actually render JSP pages. If you found any value in this video, please give me a like, please give me a thumbs up, and follow along for more videos.